and welcome to the last day of August. And to my surprise, envelopes. If you remember when I did my Angel Dream Crafts Kim, I did these 3 envelopes here, and we are going to be giving these away. If you don't hear your name called, don't run away because there's more, okay? So stick around. I think the first set will be these, and I am giving 2 because this one is a mini. Beautiful, beautiful Sampool digitals inside here. Well, there's Sampool digitals in all of them, and there's a couple that have a few other digitals in them. So this one, these all have fabric. This does not. This is paper, but it's all stitched all the way around. Here's a couple checks from one of Sampool's digital designs. I glued each and every one of these little pearls on this lovely trim. You've got some dangle trim here and then a few layers of lace. So cute. So let's give this away. So this set here, yes, 2 of them. How about, good luck ladies, KD, my love, this set is yours. So excited to send this to you. So KD, that is yours. Thank you for your gifts to me. All the surprises were spectacular. Then this one here, I don't feel like I need to go and explain anything because if y'all watched the video, then you know. But isn't she just lovely? Isn't she pretty? All right then. How about? Okay, Beverly, this is coming to you, sweetheart. I hope this cheers you up. You are in my thoughts, in my prayers. I love you. So, sweetness coming your way. Very excited about that. And then this one here, this one is in blue, and the inside, some Sampool. This is the back. So, who is she going to? All right, good luck, ladies. And like I said, don't go away. Sherry Liberto, this one is coming to you, sweetheart. Congratulations on this one. Oh, but there's more. Don't go away. I've been busy. I've been loving on all you guys. I've been thinking about you. I've been busy. Don't go anywhere. No. Look at this. Charlotte's been working. Look at this. Yes, she has. Yes, she has. Okay, how about this beautiful envelope? They've all been stitched. They all have gorgeous lace. Each one of these pearls was glued on by me. Yeah, by moi. And inside, we have some Sampool. Okay, so let's give, oh, love this. Okay, going to, oh, this is so fun. Going to Jane Dilly. Okay, Jane, I am excited to be sending this to you. These will all go out in the mail sometime next week. So Jane, that sweetheart is yours. And then how about this one? Beautiful layered flower here with a gem. Ribbon that has been put through this lace. Yes, I did that and added all these pearls, and then this lovely trim here and a seam binding bow there. This is the inside, and once again there are a few Sampool. This is not Sampool, but this is Sampool. So a couple digital pages. And how about Carol Luce? All right, sweetheart, this is coming to you. Congratulations. I just hope that you love what I came up with, the surprise. And this sweetheart here, love this paper. Isn't that gorgeous with all that shiny gold and the roses? Again, we have got some dangly trim. We have this beautiful trim that runs all the way across. A doily here, and then I layered this flower with the vintage button on top of the doily. This is the inside. Isn't that pretty? And then this is not Sampool, but this is Sampool. So there's some digitals in each one. So this is going to go to there's something here for everybody that entered, okay? Just so you'll know, everybody that entered is a winner. Tammy Winkler. Okay, Tammy, I hope you love this one. I love this paper. She's just beautiful. So Tammy, that's going to you. And then look at this. Isn't this with the feathers? Isn't this gorgeous? I used some of the dangle lace. I used some seam binding ribbon. Look at this lace here with all these pearls. Isn't that beautiful? And then I carried it on down here at the bottom. That is the back, and then that is the inside. And here is a couple checks from Sampool for digitals. So how about going to Terry Clark. Hey Terry, I hope everything is going well with you. This will be off to you next week. I hope you love this. She's just beautiful. All right, this blue one here, pearl I added this. She's got a couple little layers right here of lace, some seam binding ribbon, gorgeous, gorgeous paper. All machine stitched. This is the inside, and she comes with this digital and a couple Sampool digitals behind that. So pretty. So how about she goes to Deanna B. All right, Deanna. This is coming to you. I'm so excited. Thank you for making this month of surprises the joy that it was for me and hopefully for you. Okay. Alrighty then. This one here, this lavender, isn't that, oh, so pretty. Look at that. And I went ahead and I used the lavender trim and I glued each one of these little pearls in there, put some trim down here, added some more pearls, seam binding ribbon, and little bits of lace here and at the top. Isn't it just romantic, beautiful? And you've got a couple digitals in here as well to play with. Isn't that nice? All right, how about this goes to, how about Karen Billinger? This is going to go in the mail to you, sweetheart. I hope you're doing well. I hope everybody is going to have a fantastic, fantastic day. So that is going, I know you're looking at 3 and you're only seeing 2, but there's a surprise at the end. Beautiful. I used some more of this paper that had the feathers. Just gorgeous, I think. Beautiful, beautiful. Absolutely am in love with this trim here. So pretty with the pearls, the little satin roses, and that is the inside. Love, love this paper. And of course, there are a couple digitals in here. So this home is going to How about Vicki Jensen? All right, sweetheart. Vicki, this is yours. Congratulations. And then here we've got another beautiful piece of cardstock. Just look at the shine on that. And then I also added this lace down here, added on the pearls as well as the top. And then you've got the blinged out flower. And there are, oh, a couple digitals in here as well. One is not Sampool, one is Sampool. I folded that so it's a pretty tight fit, but it goes, it fits. It will go right in there. There we go. Pretty, pretty. Okay. Brenda Clark, this is yours. I hope you love this. I hope you love that, honey. It is a pretty, pretty envelope. Now there's one person left, and as well as I know you, I can't off the top of my head. I think I know who has not received. I'm not positive. This is what is going to come to the last person. Here is a smaller envelope, much like the two that I put on first. Beautiful paper, beautiful trims. There's 3 layers of lace here, a seam binding ribbon. I added the pearl. I had one more of these little daisies left and I used it there. And then inside there's a couple digitals from Sampool. Now this is a surprise. You didn't think the surprises were over, did you? I know what's in here. Last year, I used to create every month 20 gift surprises. And I stopped doing them. This was the last one that I had. And I decided this month, with it being a surprise month, that this would be good to use for this. Now I know y'all are sitting there going, but we don't know what's in it. No, you don't know what's in it, and neither does the person that's going to receive it know what's in it. So if the person that receives this wants to, in the comments, come out and say something. Several of you used to sign up for my surprise bags every month, so you would have an idea of what's in here. But I'm letting this go as a surprise to the recipient. And like I said, I'm not positive. I think I might know, but let's see. Nope, I didn't get it. Okay, Linda Barnett, this is coming to you, and yes, it's a surprise, and I just really, really hope that you love it. So guys, this was more fun than you could know. Absolutely had a ball with the August surprise. I truly, truly hope that you are happy with what you won and that you will love these envelopes as much as I do, and just love them and have as much fun with them as I had creating them. I wish every one of you the best in life, the best of everything. You mean so much to me, and you've brought me so much joy. I have no idea what September's going to be yet. I have a couple thoughts in my mind, but I promise within the first week I will let you know so that you've got plenty of time to prepare. So guys, thank you for everyone. Please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, be sure to so you don't miss out on anything. Take care, guys, and I'll catch you tomorrow for Index Card Friday. Bye.